So do you guys think that an Algorand breakout is confirmed right now today? If you look at the chart right now for Algorand, do you guys think that this market is breaking out? Let's talk about it, because I didn't do a price prediction on my last video for Algorand, but here we are today. We're going to see if the market in Algorand is going to continue its upward trend, because you guys can see there's actually momentum coming through the market for Algorand currently. Look at that with the trend line in place. But this is where the issue is coming in at right now for Algorand. The market currently is getting rejected off this downtrend line as well as resistance around the dime. So what's going to happen next into the market for Algorand? Let's go ahead and talk about it. Okay. So now let me get rid of these lines off the chart real quick. And let's talk about it, because the last trading day, which was yesterday, the market in Algorand definitely did a pretty fantastic move to where it trended to the downside on the trading day, but it ended up at the high of the bar. That simply tells you that there was demand on yesterday's trading action, but today the market is coming right back down, right up here at the high of around 10.5 cents. This is where the current area of resistance lies. This is where the sellers are, pretty much. Okay. So let me go ahead and get rid of this area right there, because our attention now is going to be focused in on Algorand keeping in line with one of these two areas. Okay. So you guys can see that this is creating an ascending triangle. So this area needs to be carefully watched. Okay. So the volume over the last 2 days has also seen an increase. You guys can see it yesterday and even today's volume. There's actually some active participation going on right now between the market. Now, which one's going to win? Is the market for Algorand, the buyers, will they continue to win, or will the market continue to go lower in price? You guys can actually see on this current 330-minute price bar that the sellers are currently dominating the market in Algorand. So for me, I would actually have to let the market in Algorand come down to this trend line, maybe even 9.5 cents, to see if it's going to hold support. And if that happens, then that would be a great entry point to come to the market and at least ride the market back up to Algorand to maybe like 10.5 cents, and that's it. Here's Algorand on the 2-day time frame. Okay, you guys can see in the next 13 hours and 16 minutes, we have pretty much of a wash right now. Throughout the last 2 days, the market did go higher, but now it came right back down, which lets us know that there's definitely an increase in selling going on in the market in Algorand. Here it is on the 3-day chart, same thing. What we would have liked to have seen is Algorand closing up here at the high of the bar. That's what we would like to have seen, but that didn't happen, or it's not happening right now. Here it is on the 5-day time frame. You guys can see on the next day in 14 hours, we're still seeing stockpile entering the market for Algorand. Here it is on the weekly. Algorand on the 7-hour chart. I think you guys can see where the selling started. Right? Look at this price bar to go right alongside of the volume. Somebody took profit right up there around 10.5 cents over the last couple of 7-hour price bars. Okay. Here it is on the 3. Here it is on the 1. So now we're coming right back into this area to where the market was simply consolidating. This is what we want to continue to allow happen, and then allow the market in Algorand to grab this trend line, this ascending line, and then bounce from there. Okay. So what I'm actually anticipating is the market in Algorand to come down, consolidate, grab that trend line, and continue to try to go higher. So I'm actually looking in the short term, looking for the market in Algorand to go down, maybe 9.5 cents, 0.096 cents. And then from there, actually try to see this market in Algorand trend to the upside. Okay. So right now, no, the market is not bullish in Algorand. In fact, it's definitely hinting that there's some weakness in this particular cryptocurrency. And the market here in Algorand needs to grab some buyers right here. Okay, so if we were to look for the market in Algorand to continue to go lower from where we are at, this would actually be like another 3% move to the downside in Algo. Okay, now if we don't hold this trend line, then the market overall is going to be in a longer term consolidational trading range, which would look like this. Okay. This is where we will want to see the market in Algorand to simply consolidate and continue this range. So let me do this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place some weakness right now in the short term for Algorand. I'm going to look for the market in Algorand to go lower, but the sooner that we find the buyers, i.e. 0.096 or 9.5 cents, the better. That is 2.86% there. If we don't hold that area, then my next target is going to be here around 0.093, which is around 5%. Then my third target would take us all the way down towards 9 cents even, which is 6.95%. Okay. So we're going to keep these lines here on the chart just as a reference point as to what we want to see happen. And if it does, we already understand what's going on into the market. Okay. That's it. Welcome to those who are new. Hit that like button, share it, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.